Good morning, respected members. There are three important High Court judgment published by the TAXSCAN website in a recent days. First one is from Bombay High Court. The executives, that is Chief Financial Officer, Chief Executive Officer, and JMD. The three people approached the Honorable High Court of Bombay for release of the 133 crore penalty levied on these three people under section 122 within brackets 1 capital A. So the subsection starts with any person, etc., etc. So department levied 133 crore penalty on these three persons: Chief Financial Officer, Chief Executive Officer, and JMD. The trio approached the Bombay High Court, and the advocate argued that the subsection came into force from 1/1/21 onwards. So, for prior transaction, the subsection is not applicable. Officers cannot invoke the said subsection before 1/1/21. Accordingly, High Court of Bombay granted the interim protection for the three executives. This is one aspect. Second aspect from Calcutta High Court, the businessman was arrested based on the allegation that 232 lorries of the lorries not entered in the toll plaza. The data of 232 lorries not available in the toll plaza. For the same reason, even though batch numbers are tallied, invoices are tallied, no stock variation found, and accused cooperated with the investigation. Everything was proved beyond doubt, but only thing is 232 lorries not entered in the toll plaza, and data is not available in the toll plaza. Thereby, the tax benefit is 37.29 crore to the businessman. Based on this allegation, they arrested the businessman. Immediately, Calcutta High Court came to the rescue of the businessman within 16 days. Though the bail petition pending before the Sessions Court, the Honorable Calcutta High Court granted the bail to the businessman because he cooperated to the investigation, and all issues are beyond the doubt except toll plaza. All the records are fine and proved meticulously. There is no variation, stock suppression, willfulness, fraud, etc., etc., except toll plaza. Based on this observation, Calcutta High Court granted the bail. And the next one is 16 crore penalty levied on the accountant. Those who entered the transactions in the tally, that is purchase invoices, sale invoices, e-way bill, etc., etc., on a day-to-day commercial business operations, he entered the data in tally, and again authorities invoked to section 122 1A. This is from Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court refused to entertain the petition because all the things are pertaining to facts of the case, and directed the Sunil GULATI, is the accountant of the firm, directed the GULATI to approach the appellate authority for proper relief. So this is a 16 crore penalty against the accountant, and in another case 133 crore penalty against the executive. In another case, for 37.69 crore, officers arrested the businessman. Three cases different pertaining to different high courts and different states. First one is from Bombay High Court, 133 crore penalty. Citation is Amit, Manilal, Haria versus JC CGST, published in TAXSCAN website. And the second thing is 37.29 crore. Santosh Kumar versus Union of India. This is from Calcutta High Court. And third one is from Delhi High Court, SUNIL versus Additional Commissioner CGST, Delhi South. These three judgments are very important pertaining to our day-to-day business transactions. Our clients and our dealers and our friends may come across this type of situations in their day-to-day business affairs. Kindly go through the same published in the TAXSCAN website and give your suggestions accordingly to your clients, friends, etc., etc. Once again, very good morning to one and all. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.